Hi there, Stroud. Hi, my name is Jo Morris and I am your FameLab Academy mentor for this year. I took part in FameLab in 2018 and I got through to the final that was held in London and won the audience vote. It was a very special experience for me. I'd set up a business about 5 years ago, and about 8 years previous to that, I just had a really rough time where I used to work and study, and I'd lost a lot of my confidence after being made redundant. And so I knew when I'd started my business I would have to pitch and tell people what was happening and what was going on, and I was just really scared of doing that. I really didn't want to do it. But one thing that I can do is talk about science really well and really confidently. So I'd entered FameLab just as a way of practicing standing up in front of people and communicating something that I'm really passionate about and that I love. So I'm glad to say that it built my confidence, and I'm now able to stand up and talk to people about my business instead. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the topics that you come up with. My background is in geology, so if you choose anything that's in the physical sciences realm, then I'm really looking forward to it. But honestly, any topic that you choose, I'm really interested to see the creative and fun ways that you come up with telling people about those things. Anyway, all the best, enjoy your last week at school, and I will see you in the new year ready for some science communication. See you later, bye bye.